Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I post thousands of articles to Facebook groups with just one click. We'll be using the MKT Care tool. Go to the Post feature, then select Post to Groups. Here, choose the Facebook accounts you want to use for posting in groups. I'm going to select over 1,000 accounts to run. Next, choose the content you want to post, the groups you want to post to, and set the number of posts per account. And finally, just click the Start. Let's see how the tool works.